everyone, this is Granny Josie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a jewelry lot that I bought from eBay. And this is from one of my favorite sellers on eBay. First of all, she sends me a free gift. And I think her free gift is very, very nice. I'm going to show you that. And it's in good condition. I have two favorite sellers on eBay. And I think this is pretty nice. And that's a free gift. And I will show you now what she has sent in this lot. And everything is in a little plastic bag. And this is a hair clip. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. Every once in a while I'll get hair clips and it's all in perfect condition. Really pretty. And I will probably be listing this one or putting it in my next pop-up. I think there's only one item that I wasn't perfect. And this is a stretchy bracelet. It's kind of violet color and it has beads. Very unusual. I've not really seen one like this. I like it. And then, you know, my favorite, the statement necklaces. Isn't that pretty? I love that. I think statement pieces are my favorite. I go from statement pieces to very dainty pendants. So my taste varies, I guess. But I like that. And it's in great condition. Like I said, very seldom from these two sellers do I have to take anything out and put it in the craft lot or use it for my crafts. This is a hairpin. Very different. I'm not sure I'm going to put it in the pop-up. I don't know if anyone is interested in hairpins. Let me know in the comments below. If I don't put it in a pop-up, I'll probably put it on eBay. And this is the only piece that I won't put in a pop-up. The front of it is really nice, but the back shows the brass. I will clean it up, but I won't put it on there because I don't think anyone wants to buy something so tarnished. And you know, rings that are not sterling or, you know, gold, they will tarnish if they're worn a lot. And apparently this one was. But of all the pieces in this lot, that's the only one that's discolored. So I'd say that's pretty good. And here is a really cute keychain. And I may keep that and put it on one of my makeup bags that I wear. I mean, excuse me, that I wear, yeah. Okay. Slip of the tongue there. This is beautiful. And I do make makeup bags. And I will start them pretty soon because I usually list a lot of them before the holidays. So I usually start my Christmas shopping around August, but this year I think I'm going to start in June or July. And here is a scarf clip. It's very pretty. It says W Germany. Isn't that pretty? And it's in mint condition. Yeah, most of, like I said, the pieces from this seller are always great. And I don't expect, you know, 100% that they're going to be, but I'm always amazed. And here is a W. Very nice pin. So if your initial is W, well, you know what? I had it upside down. Guess what? It's an M. It's an M. Sorry for the error, but you know what? I don't edit my videos. What you see is what you get. And here is a pair of earrings. Not really my favorite, but they're nice. They're plastic. Nothing spectacular, but nothing that's in bad condition. And here is a very nice necklace. It's kind of nice. I like it. Metal looks good. I would put this in my pop-up. And guess what? This is a Monet piece. And it is hallmarked in 2 different places. Very nice piece. So this will probably definitely go in my pop-up. If not, I would put it in my eBay store. Okay, let's see what we got here. It's always so exciting to see what's in these boxes. This has a little discoloration on the clasp, but I'm sure this will clean up. This even the chain might be sterling, but I have to test it and clean it. That's really cute. I like that. That is nice. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, I like this one. Actually, I peeked at these before, so look at this. Love this. Love this, love this. Isn't that pretty? That is gorgeous. The stones, the rhinestones are just so bright and pretty. The chain, no discoloration. This is excellent. These are the pieces like this that I have a hard time parting with, but you know, we can't keep everything, and every reseller knows this. But it's still hard. This is another one that I love. Look at that. It's a set. And it's mint condition. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Ooh. If I wore sweaters, I would definitely keep this. But the necklines that I wear, long chains, do not look good. And where I live, it's too warm for sweaters. But I love that. That would be one that I would have a hard time parting with. And this is a really cute, oh, I love that little brooch, and it has a butterfly in the center. Isn't that adorable? Oh, I love that too. Oh, guys, I have a hard time parting with things sometimes. But we all know we can't keep everything, as I keep repeating myself and saying. This is kind of a dainty silver tone chain. And it's, okay, where's my loop here? It is hallmarked. SAC. And it's pretty, it's in good condition. If you like, sometimes I like to just wear dainty pendants. Let's show you this one first. This is a big thing. Not my style, but actually it's made so nice. I do like it. Just not my style, but kind of a modest piece. Somebody might love it. It is really nice. I never throw pieces aside and say they're junk, or even if I don't like them, somebody might like them. And if they're damaged, they go in the craft box. come to appreciate jewelry. These are really nice. Oh, they're like an enamel. Let's see, you can see that. Very nice, very pretty, kind of a violet and a cream color, and they're a clip. Oh gosh, these don't look like they've ever been worn. Beautiful piece. If I wore a clip, I would keep those. Although even with pierced ears, you know, we can still wear a clip. And this is another nice pair of clip. Let's see if those are hallmarked. These are Sarah Coventry. And they're pretty, they're nice. They're silver tone. Yeah, they're nice. Little bit discoloration. I'll see how they clean up. Those are really nice. And almost done. This is a unicorn pendant. Really cute. It's not hallmarked, but it is adorable. Put it on the board. Maybe you can see it better. Isn't that cute? Very nice. Nice chain. Silver tone. People who love unicorns would love that. That would make a really nice gift for someone who loved unicorns. I know my granddaughter loves unicorns and loves jewelry. Okay. These are nice earrings, cloisonné. They're in good condition. And then there's another pair. These are very dainty. Amethyst color stone and a clear stone. Oops. Those are very nice. Like I said, in this whole lot, there was only one piece that I would not sell. And that's the ring. Everything else is just... And here is a, look at that, enameled cuff bracelet. Oh, that's pretty. Love that. That is really nice. Wow. Temptation. Temptation. And here's a little bracelet. Not really much of anything, but it's in good condition. And one more piece. Now, I was supposed to have another box I was going to unbox for you, but somebody goofed at the post office and they sent it to the town next to me instead of, it had been here, and they sent it to a town next to me. So the post office said I would probably get it Monday. Here is a pair of pierced earrings. So that is all I have in this lot. I hope you enjoyed watching. I enjoyed showing it to you. And I am going to do a live sometime this afternoon or this evening announcing my 600 sub giveaway. And in the live, I'll have you put your comments in, and then next Saturday I will do the drawing. And to be in the drawing, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. And so I hope you will do that. And like I said, later on today I will do a live stream so you can comment on that. Anyway, happy Easter to everyone, and have a great day, and see you soon. Bye.